Aisha, did you hear that? I said, are you sad to see me? Yes, she's saying.
I'm joking.
Okay, you're joking. Good, good. Sometimes it's good to joke, huh? As long as you're not serious about it, okay?
Ma'am, don't laugh.
Who is telling me not to laugh? Who's that one who's telling me?
Miss Ahmad Muslim is telling.
You know, Adiba and Aisha, that day I went to Ahmad's house to eat. He called me, right, for food. He was not opening the door.
Where
When I,
is your video?
when I said
where
knock,
is your
knock, I was
video?
knocking on his door. He's saying, who? I said, this is Yoshiko, ma'am. He's saying, I don't know Yoshiko, ma'am.
Yushika, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah, Ahmad said he doesn't know Yoshiko, ma'am. I thought I would get some nice biryani to eat in his house, but nothing. No water also in his house. He didn't recognize me.
Come to my house.
Yeah, sure, sure.
And my also house.
Sure, sure.
Ma'am, my also house. Ma'am, why are you not sharing screen? Like that.
Okay, okay.
Why are you not sharing screen, ma'am?
Oh, Bada, you live in Santa Cruz, no?
No, I am living in Navi Mumbai.
You live in Navi Mumbai now?
Ma'am, Adiba, I also live in Navi Mumbai. Ma'am, Cream, I live in Sector 27.
Okay, okay.
I live
Alright.
in Sector 12.
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am, where you go? वहाँ तो नहीं निकलो
Yeah. But Adiba, what did you do in your holidays?
I go to Sweet Mall and play lot of games.
Wow, you went and played lot of games. Good, good.
Ma'am, and I eat KFC. And ice cream also. I am also very enjoying. You are having so nice I do not like KFC.
Oh, so all of you have thoroughly enjoyed your holidays. Okay, Obada said he looked at his books, he did some studies. How many of you looked at your books in the holidays? Very good, Aisha. Okay, Abdullah didn't look. Adiba, did you look at your books?
I looked at my book just once. 18 out of how many days was the holiday?
10 days.
10 days. In 10 days, only 9 days, I looked at the book.
Okay. Hmm.
I was supposed to go with my best friend to Ramshet Thakur to learn badminton, tennis. And at that day, I got ill.
Oh.
This is why I did. Last 10 days.
My mummy came on the 31st from Bombay. My mummy. And it took us exactly 4 hours to reach home from the station. 4 hours. I left at 4 o'clock. Okay. But of course, in between, we had some things to do. Okay. But then, we left the station at around 6 o'clock and I reached home at 10 o'clock.
Ma'am, Adiba, my dad come 11 November. I go to airport at 8 o'clock and come 3 o'clock. 1 o'clock. Huh?
Okay.
Because the plane was late. I come home at 3 o'clock.
Yeah. All right, very nice. Okay.
AM.
Mm. And Afan, what did Afan do in the holidays?
Fun.
Gone to Burger King.
Where did you go?
Burger King.
You went to Burger King and you actually became a king over there, I think.
Ma'am, I also had burger and I mean KFC.
Okay, Afan, where is your crown? You are a Burger King. Where is your crown?
I have a katana sword.
What do you have?
Katana.
वो क्या होता है? What is that?
A sword. Ninja sword.
Big sword.
Long sword.
You have a sword. Show me your sword. Do you have it nearby?
Really a fake.
Ma'am,
Not nearby.
Okay,
ma'am,
okay.
you know my cousins came over here to stay for a week or something. And I found my Santa Claus and Santa Claus hat and I was wearing it and I put some things in the bag and then running with it and I'm giving them everything. And one of my brother called me Katara Santa because what I'm doing, I'm getting the gift, I'm giving to everyone and taking it back.
Oh, you were giving and taking it back, the gift. Oh my.
Katara Santa they call me.
Katara.
Anything Katara. My parrot name also, small parrot's name, innocent parrot's name, we named Katara.
Oh, so sad. Katara. How could you name a parrot Katara?
That is me.
Yeah.
That is its brand new name.
Okay. Hmm.
Katara toy.
So all of you had a good breakfast today, huh? What did you all have for breakfast today?
I had omelette and bread.
Omelette and bread. Abdullah, what did you have? Can't hear. Pizza?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Outside
yesterday,
pizza. Not outside pizza.
But you had a pizza. That is amazing. And Ubada, what did you have?
My mom's made.
Sandwich.
My mom's made.
Sandwich. Okay. Adiba, what did you have? Hey, why is Amatur's video closed? Amatur, hi Amatur. Amatur, please start your video, baby.
ma'am, 1 second, I'm coming.
Hi Amatur, how are you?
Ma'am, I'm coming.
Fine, ma'am.
I was waiting to say hello to you. How are your holidays? How were your holidays, Amatur?
Good.
Are you happy to see me again?
Yes.
No. I think the heart is saying no, but the mouth is saying yes. Huh? Huh?
Yes.
see, Abdullah is saying yes. Okay.
Ma'am, beautiful
I know
hat.
it's like sad. It's sad.
Ma'am, my beautiful hat.
Okay, your hat.
Santa Claus had.
When did you cut your hair, Aisha?
I got on
Today.
Sunday, last Sunday.
Okay, okay.
2 weeks ago, I think.
Nice cut.
Oh, I got it when I cut. 1 minute, let me check
क्यों
it.
मैजिक नीचे गियो माथा में ऐसा आई
Ma'am, Sunday 2nd.
On the 2nd, you cut. So because before the holidays, your hair was longer. I remember.
Oh no,
my also long
ma'am, it was
Abdullah, I'm sorry, I didn't
November.
notice your hair because your hair is always short.
this time my hair is short.
Yeah.
My cut my hair.
cracking.
What?
Wait, ma'am. It was 2nd December.
No, ma'am.
Second
No,
of
ma'am. It's joking.
it was
I think.
second.
Ma'am, can I
16
drink
or
water?
17 December.
Abdullah, no, you can't drink water.
17 December, ma'am. I cut my hair.
Okay. Okay. So, children, then let's do a revision of what we have done till today. Okay. I have already uploaded the syllabus. Kindly please go and check it in the Google Classroom. And all right, so we're good to go.
Ma'am, news lesson.
Can you
Ma'am,
tell
news
me
lesson. Ma'am, news lesson.
chapter 5, 5 and 6? Keep in touch and sharing culture. These are the two lessons we are going to do for the assessment. Okay. So can anyone tell me why did Roald like his new school? Can anyone tell me?
Because I didn't
Teacher
know
is nice.
what's his choice.
The master are nice.
Okay.
The
Okay.
master are nice. Ma'am, the master are nice.
Yeah, because the master are nice. Okay. So now, another thing. What did Roald dislike about his school?
The bed has no spring.
Arey wow, very good, Abdullah. Excellent. You did not look at the book when you answered. I'm surprised. Good point. Okay. What was the name of the villain? Everybody listen, okay? What was the name of the villain in the book Run for It, Ruby? Hawk Trotter. Very good, Abdullah. Excellent. Super duper. Surprise me, Abdullah. Very good. Keep it up. Whatever you're doing, good.
Which class
Okay. Now,
was it? Oh,
what is a place called where you buy stamps or you post a letter? What is that called?
post office. Post office. Post office.
Post office.
Post office.
Okay. Now, one question is for Ubada. Okay, Ubada, ready? Can you give me one reason why Roald is writing to his mother? Why is Roald writing to his mother?
Because he wants stamp album, lot of
His stamp
Hmm?
He wants his stamp album.
Very good, because he wants his stamp album so that he can do a lot of swaps, right? Okay. Can you tell me? Why does woman too keep making mistakes in her weaving?
Ma'am, because of darkness.
Very good, because of darkness. Excellent. Okay. Why does the village elder think that Maui will be able to help them? Amatur, can you tell me?
Ma'am, because Maui.
I'm asking Amatur children. Amatur has to answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me the answer?
Ma'am, I can say.
Why does the village elder think that Maui will be able to help?
Ma'am, because Mavi
Father,
has
darling, you don't answer. I want Amatur to answer. Amatur? Why does the village elder think? Yeah, children?
Ma'am, I
Amatur,
can
do you know
say.
the answer to the question?
Ma'am, I know the answer.
I know you know the answer, but this one has to answer. Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, I can tell.
Okay, Ubada will tell.
Because ma'am, Mavi has did very great things.
Yes, because he has achieved many big things in his life. Very good. Okay. I have something special to tell you that, next week we are going to be super ready with the revision. Okay. And if you are not ready with our revision, your parents are going to receive a beautiful golden note from me. Okay. A nice golden note, which is going to be signed by me specifically. So if you want the golden note to go to your mother or your father, kindly, if you don't want it to go to your mother or father, kindly please answer in class. If you don't answer in class,
Voice is cracking, and when I speak, then the class is disconnected.
yes, I don't know about the disconnection, but you have to answer in class. Otherwise, your parent is going to get a golden note signed by Yoshiko ma'am. Okay. So that's why kindly please answer in my class. Amatur, did you understand what I said? Amatur, Rahman? Next week, I have already posted the syllabus in the Google Classroom. We are doing Unit 5 and 6. I want you to be prepared with all the comprehension answers as well as the grammar part. I'm going to ask you next week, okay? Otherwise, your parent is going to get a golden note from me. Okay. Now let us do the next question. Aisha, are you ready for another question? I don't think Aisha's parent needs a golden note, right, Aisha? Because you always answer in class. Can you tell me what word do Clarice and Betty use to address the author at the beginning of the letter?
Is it dear?
Yes, it is dear. Very good. Okay. Let's
Ma'am,
do this.
tell that who will answer who
Yeah, the child who answers very well in my class, okay, see, everything carries marks, okay? So you have to be very well behaved in class. And Abdullah, I'm really impressed with your progress. I'm very proud of you, Abdullah. Thank you for being good boy in my class. Okay, continue doing that. Aisha also continue doing that. And even Ubada, continue doing that. Okay. You all are going to get good marks in your assessment. That is for sure. It all depends on how much you are interested in my class. If you put your video off and you are not interested, then I cannot do anything about it, right? But if your video is on, you're listening, you're paying attention, you're doing, you've come in flying colors. All right. Can anyone tell me what does it mean to greet or welcome? What is that thing called? Sorry, to meet or welcome. What is it called? Is it called greet or culture?
Culture.
To meet or welcome? To meet somebody or to welcome somebody to your house. What do you call that?
Welcome somebody.
Okay, so is it a greet or a culture?
Greet.
Culture.
Greet. Very good, Abdullah. Excellent. It is greet. Okay. Now, I think you're all going to come in the flying colors, huh? Okay. How do we know? How do we know that Clarice and Betty want to read more books of the Ruby Red Fort series? How do we know?
Because they note some letter to them.
Yes, they wrote
They
letters
send
to
some
them.
letter.
Yes, exactly. Very good. Yeah, correct. Okay. Nice. So, okay. So far now, does anybody have any questions to ask me from what we have done till now? Does anybody have any questions?
Ma'am, our last lesson is the letter, na?
Now, beta, sharing cultures.
No, I was not there, I think.
Ah, you were not there. Yes. Kindly please check the Google Classroom and complete all the activities, okay? Because I have already posted the syllabus. Yeah? Yeah. Vada, what is that plant you are sharing with us?
No, it's a keychain. It's a keychain.
It's a keychain. Oh,
There are some red grapes.
hmm?
Ma'am, look at my gift I got.
Yeah, 1 minute. I'll just see it. Is that a pillow?
Yes.
A unicorn pillow?
Yes. I even got a blanket.
Okay. Okay, okay.
Why is that so?
This plant is fake.
The
How
plant
did
is
you get
fake.
that?
Okay, I thought it was real.
I also, it's like a real plant.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
Time is up.
Yeah, actually the time is almost up, children. Okay. So children, kindly revise, okay, all that we have done till today.
Yes.
And for next week, again, I'm going to do revision. And those of you who don't know the answers, the golden,
12:33.
I'm going to send a golden report to the parents. Yeah? A golden report. Yeah.
One more. Your video is off. Oh, ma'am, I know that you
Ahmad and Amatul, I want to warn both of you that please come prepared for the revision next week also. Otherwise, we are going to send golden reports to the parents. Okay?
Okay. Ma'am, write the complaint on the golden.
Bye, children.
Bye, ma'am. Bye,
See you
ma'am.
all. Bye. Thank
Bye,
you.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Ahmad,
Bye, ma'am.
I'm looking at you.
Have a nice day. Video is off, ma'am.
Yeah. Bye.
Ahmad Wasim, this is for